Want to ensure your paper claims are processed as quickly as possible? Follow these tips to make sure your claims are taken care of without delay. At Delta Dental of Illinois, our goal is to process claims as quickly and accurately as possible. To help, we're sharing a few reminders that will ensure your Illinois dental office's claims are submitted properly, efficiently processed, and paid in a timely manner. Before we share tips for submitting accurate paper claims, remember that the most efficient way for your office to save time and money is by signing up for electronic claims processing. Here are a few benefits. According to the National Dental EDI Council, an average office saves nearly $1 per electronic claim by eliminating the need to bother with paper, postage, or tracking claims manually. Electronic claims make it faster to bill patients and receive payment. They go hand in hand with direct deposit and are often submitted almost immediately after treatment. It's also easier to stay updated. Your office will receive reports about claim status and have a chance to respond to any problems immediately. And finally, electronic claims help protect patients' personal health information, or PHI, because it can be more secure. However, if your office plans to continue with paper claim submissions, let's review a few ways to make the process more efficient. The paper claim form is based on the most up-to-date ADA claim form. To ensure hassle-free claims processing for your office, double-check that a few areas of the form are completed accurately. If any of the following information is incorrect, your claim form will be rejected. First, enter the primary subscriber's name, member ID, and date of birth. The primary member's name must be listed as it is on their ID card. For example, if William is the name listed on the ID card, Bill cannot be listed as the primary member's name. Enter the name, member ID, and date of birth for the patient. This must be filled in even if the patient is also the primary subscriber. You must also complete box 10 to indicate the patient's relationship to the primary subscriber. Enter your office's billing address and treating address using the USPS address format. For example, a suite number can't come before your office's street address. Another example, if your address on file is 1E North Street with the 1 as a numeral, then spelling out the word 1 on your claim form will cause a rejection. More information about address format can be found on USPS.com. Another tip for completing accurate claims, the treating dentist's first and last name should match the name that was issued on their state's dental license. Nicknames, initials, and abbreviations are not accepted. For example, if the name on the license is Robert Jones, you cannot enter Rob Jones. Please note that you must print all names on the form. Signatures on file and cursive cannot be used. Enter your office's dental license number, which should match your state's provider license registry. Make sure you do not use any spaces, leading zeros, periods, or dashes when you input the license number. If you are a specialist and have been issued an additional license number, use the same license number you have provided to Delta Dental at the time of registration. Next, you will need to enter your office's tax identification number, TIN. This must match what is registered with the IRS. You can also input your office's Type 2 NPI number, but this is optional. If you include your office's Type 2 NPI number, it must match the billing, primary practice address, and mailing address found on your office's NPPES registry. If there is no Type 2 NPI number, this box should be left blank to avoid claim processing delays or errors. If you need to verify or register for a Type 1 or Type 2 NPI number, visit npiregistry.cms.hhs.gov. You will also need the correct address to send the claim. There are different addresses for group and individual members. Addresses can be found at the bottom of the paper claim form or on a member's ID card. For group members, send claims to Delta Dental of Illinois, attention, DDIL Group Claims, P.O. Box 5402, Lisle, Illinois 60532. For individual members, send claims to Delta Dental of Illinois, attention DDIL Individual Claims, P.O. Box 103, Stevens Point, Wisconsin 54481. If your office needs to appeal a claim with Delta Dental of Illinois, there is a separate address. Delta Dental of Illinois Attention Reevaluation Committee, 111 Schumann Boulevard, Naperville, Illinois 60563. When appealing a claim, make sure you always include the original claim number. Send the treating doctor's progress notes and narrative, and include any additional x-rays or photos that may be useful. 2 more reminders to help you avoid claim errors. In the record of services provided, do not enter more than 1 tooth number per service line, as this may cause a rejection. If payment should go to the member, you must leave box 37 on the claim form blank. Do not enter a signature, date, or write in "Pay to Patient." There is more information you need to include on the claim, but if you follow these tips, you will reduce claim rejections for your office. If you need further assistance, contact Delta Dental of Illinois Professional Relations at 630-718-4990 or email pr@deltadentalil.com. Delta Dental of Illinois is here to help make the claims process as efficient as possible.